Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to clean air filter for your air conditioner. Begin by turning off the air conditioner using the main power control to isolate power before handling internal components safely. Open the air filter access panel to reveal the filter compartment inside the unit. Remove the air filter from the unit carefully so it can be cleaned outside the appliance. Rinse the air filter under gentle running water, continuing until the water runs clear and all residue is removed. Shake the filter gently to remove excess water before setting it out to air dry completely. Allow the filter to air dry completely in an open area so moisture drains completely before reassembly or power restoration. Insert the dry air filter back into the unit and close the access panel until it seats fully and sits flush. Finally, turn the air conditioner back on using the main power control to restore normal operation after completing all maintenance.